the hell? Oh my God. Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new tumbler project. Today we're starting with a 30-ounce skinny straight. I already took it out into my carport. And no, actually, I took it out into my almost finished new garage. Yay. And I spray painted it a bunch of different colors, which I will list in the description below. That's what I did to prepare. This has been sitting for a couple of days, so the paint should be completely set up at this point. I'm going to wrap some vinyl on it, and if I have to pull it up and reposition it, I figured this way there was less chance of the paint coming up with the vinyl. All right, so here's what I'm doing. This is going to be a little different, but this is the sticky sheet I will be starting with. So I am going to cut, I'm going to cut off the little white margin at the bottom, but then I'm going to cut here across the tops of these diamonds. Yeah, that worked really well. Oh my God. I'm so unsure of what I'm doing suddenly. This could still go horribly wrong. What the hell? Oh my God. Okay, I have this brushed gold that may or may not suit. All right. I don't know. I don't know if I like it more with the brushed gold on it or if I like it a little less. I could have just done the black with the holographic 2mm tape on top. I don't know how I feel about this cup. Honestly, when I first envisioned this, it was going to look so much different. And I feel like I've lost my way. So many different iterations went through my head that this is a far cry from where my image started, even though I've been using the same cup and sticky sheet and tape all along. All right, I'm gonna put some resin on it. I think I'm gonna mix up some Speedy Petey, and I'm gonna mix into the Speedy Petey Press Street Station Junior, which is an ultrafine opal iridescent. This is a true experiment for me, even though there's nothing here I haven't done before, but somehow combining all of these elements together is making me very unsure of myself. So we're just gonna wait and see what I get. So I'm gonna suit up. I'm going to put on some fast set epoxy. As I said, Speedy Petey, into it goes Rainbow and Press Street Station Junior. So just sit back and enjoy the show. Let's see what we end up with.